If you've ever found yourself contemplating the fate of that outdated piece of furniture collecting dust in your home, you're not alone. Before bidding it farewell, consider giving it a second chance with these 7 DIY ideas that will not only transform its appearance, but also add a personalized touch to your space. Whether you're tired of the old look, seeking a budget-friendly makeover, or simply craving a creative project, these tips will guide you in turning your furniture into a stunning statement piece. Repainting and refinishing. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, instantly modernizing your furniture and giving it a brand new vibe. Experiment with bold colors, subtle shades, or trendy finishes to match your style and the room's aesthetic. Refinishing techniques such as distressing or antiquing can add character and charm to your revamped piece. Decoupage magic. Unleash your creativity with decoupage, a versatile technique involving the application of paper cutouts onto surfaces. Select patterns, images, or even maps that resonate with you, transforming your furniture into a unique work of art. This method not only breathes new life into old pieces, but also allows you to express your individuality. Upcycling with fabric. Give your furniture a luxurious makeover by upholstering or adding fabric accents. Old chairs or ottomans can be revived with a stylish fabric that complements your home decor. Consider experimenting with textures, patterns, and colors to create a piece that stands out and adds warmth to your space. Hardware makeover. Sometimes, a simple change of hardware can make a significant difference. Upgrade handles, knobs, or pulls with contemporary or vintage alternatives to instantly elevate the overall look of your furniture. This quick and easy fix can breathe new life into dressers, cabinets, and more. Stencil transformation. Add intricate designs and patterns to your furniture using stencils. This DIY technique allows you to customize your piece with precision and creativity. From geometric shapes to nature-inspired motifs, stenciling provides a cost-effective way to achieve a high-end, bespoke appearance. Whitewashing and distressing. Embrace the timeless charm of whitewashing and distressing for a shabby chic or farmhouse-inspired look. These techniques impart a weathered and well-loved appearance to your furniture, making it seem like a cherished antique. Experiment with the level of distressing to achieve the perfect balance between vintage and contemporary. Multifunctional makeovers. Consider repurposing your furniture to serve a different function. Transform an old ladder into a stylish bookshelf, or repurpose a wooden pallet into a coffee table. These creative transformations not only give your furniture a new lease on life, but also add functionality and uniqueness to your living space. Before parting ways with your old furniture, embark on a creative journey to revitalize and personalize it. These 7 DIY ideas offer a spectrum of possibilities, allowing you to breathe new life into your furniture and make a distinctive statement in your home. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-time crafter, these projects are sure to spark your creativity and transform your space with a touch of conservation and style. Trendy finishes for a modern facelift. Beyond the realm of standard paint lies a world of trendy finishes waiting to elevate your furniture to new heights. Explore techniques like high gloss for a sleek, contemporary look, or matte finishes for a touch of understated elegance. Metallic paints can add a touch of glamour, while chalk paint provides a rustic, textured feel. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Distressing for character and charm. For those seeking a touch of character and history, consider the art of distressing. This technique involves deliberately aging the furniture to create a worn, weathered appearance. It's a nuanced approach that adds a story to your piece, turning it from a mere object into a cherished relic with a unique tale to tell. Antiquing. A vintage touch. Take a step back in time with antiquing, a refinishing technique that imparts a vintage charm to your furniture. By applying layers of different colored paints and then strategically removing some, you create an aged effect that evokes the allure of bygone eras. The result? A piece that seamlessly blends the old with the new, creating a harmonious and timeless aesthetic. The transformative power of a brushstroke. As you embark on this journey of refinishing, Remember that each brushstroke holds the potential to redefine your furniture. The process is not just about covering up scratches or dings. It's about infusing your piece with your personality, taste, and a fresh perspective. It's an opportunity to make a statement within the confines of your living space. In the world of furniture revitalization, repainting and refinishing stand as a testament.